Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm Jimmy Jones, and in this video I'm going to introduce to you a company called Tradera. So Tradera is a financial services platform slash financial firm designed to empower its customers by offering a world-class trading education service. It was founded in 2019 by esteemed Forex trading professionals Cody Sell and Easton Harris. The company is based out of the US but available globally. It is 100% debt-free. Tradera combines two of the most powerful and lucrative industries, network marketing and the foreign exchange market, and allows you to tap into both from your PC, tablet, or mobile devices. The foreign exchange market is a $6.8 trillion industry, and network marketing is over $180 billion. So let's take a closer look at both of these powerhouses. You have the network marketing industry, which produces over $180 billion annually. It consists of over 10,000 businesses and over 130 million people participate. It is a highly lucrative market and has low startup costs. It's also endorsed by millionaires and celebrities because they do this type of thing every day with their following, their fans, and their supporters. The Forex market is the currency exchange market, and it does $6.8 trillion in daily volume. It is the largest market in the world, even larger than the stock market. Banks, institutions, and individuals like you and me trade in these markets. The Forex market runs 24 hours, 5 days a week, and is easily accessible. All you need is access to the internet and a trading platform. The Tradera platform provides a wealth of information on how to become a successful trader, how to develop basic goals and learn when to buy, when to sell, and when to do nothing. This financial services platform provides trading education, trade alerts, live sessions with professional traders that you can interact with, and market forecasts. And there is a trading community that has master traders and hundreds more experienced traders that are always more than happy to help you out. The trading education is 100% online and provides comprehensive training that leads you step by step through the trading process. This includes a 2-week fast start syllabus designed to quickly get you into profit. The trade alerts give you the ability to earn while you learn. Tradera's experienced traders send out alerts throughout the day. All you have to do is copy and paste. The live sessions are conducted by top traders every Sunday through Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and often there are impromptu sessions throughout the week during the day to focus on particular trading strategies or to identify particularly hot trading opportunities. And if you miss the live sessions, they're recorded and stored on the trading platform. Tradera's top traders post market forecasts every Sunday at 5 p.m. The Tradera community is second to none. This large network of traders discusses market analysis and serves as a valuable resource, a valuable educational resource for new and less experienced traders. So, what is also unique about Tradera is the business opportunity it provides for its members. For just an additional $15 a month, you can build a profitable network marketing business by simply helping others to become members of Tradera and earn not only a free membership for yourself, but weekly reoccurring residual income. There are generally two types of income. Active, which involves you trading your time for wages, such as a 9-to-5 job, and passive, which involves you completing several tasks that generate consistent income through lifetime royalties. For example, you own houses and you rent them out. The renters pay you on a monthly basis. In Tradera, you receive weekly passive income based on the number of clients you bring into the business. Now, I will explain the various independent business owner ranks. Founder is the first rank. It's obtained when 3 people opt into Tradera with your referral link that you received when you joined. Those 3 students earn you a free membership. Once you've accomplished this and you would like to continue to share the platform, you upgrade to the Independent Business Owner IBO status and build a business by helping duplicate the process that you just completed. So you bring in 3 and you get them their 3 students involved and help them become founder just like you. So once you have 10 members involved, you've achieved the rank of Knight, and now you're making $125 a week or $500 a month. You get 25 members, you become a Noble, earning $250 a month or $1,000 a month. With 75 members, you're at the Bishop level. You earn $500 a week or $2,000 a month. And remember, you're all working together collectively to attain these numbers, so your new members are helping them bring in new people as well. So with 250 members, you'll be a Duke or a Duchess, and you'll earn $1,200 a week or $5,000 a month. 500 members is the Prince or Princess level, where you'll earn $2,500 a week or $10,000 a month. With 1,000 members, that's the King or Queen level. That will get you $5,000 a week or $20,000 a month. And with 2,500 members, you're at the Emperor level, where you'll earn $12,500 a week or $50,000 a month. And finally, at Legend, which is the top rank, you'll have 5,000 members or $25,000 a week or $100,000 a month. So let's talk about how your business has evolved as you get to this level. You are receiving an Ivy League financial education in a $1 trillion market, and the prerequisite is a tuition of just $99 a month. But if you can find 3 like-minded people, you not only get a free education, but for every new student that you bring in, not only do you get a free education and free access to the platform, but you'll also get paid weekly. Would you not be excited to share that? Can you imagine all the opportunities you can create by just simply sharing this platform? So you can become a member of Tradera for only $99 a month and receive full access to this amazing platform and business opportunity. So I encourage you to get started today and start to earn while you learn. You develop a skill that is recession-proof, quarantine-proof, and develop a business that puts earnings on autopilot. I want to thank you for listening to this presentation, and I hope that you will join my team and we can grow this business and help others as well. So please click on the link and I will be in touch. Thank you very much.